welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are all well. My today's videos for junior. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to learn horizontal addition. Horizontal addition, right? First of all, in addition, we add other value in previous value, right? First of all, we have a balloon here. How many balloon is this? Juniors, can you tell me? Repeat after me. How many balloons is this? One. And how many balloons are these? Yes. Count with me. One, two, three. How many balloons are these? Three. Now for addition, we will count it together and write it other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. It means 1 plus 3. 1 balloon plus 3 balloons. We will count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our answer for 1 plus 3 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 4. Very good. Next, juniors, can you tell me how many carrots are these? 1, 2. 2 carrots. 1, 2. Very good. Plus, how many carrots are these? Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now here are 2 and on other side we have 3. It means 2 plus 3. We have to addition 2 plus 3, right? Now we will count these carrots together to evaluate our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our answer is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. You did well, students. Now, next question is, how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 plus, on other side we have 1, 2 and 3. It means 3 plus 3. We will addition we will addition 3 plus 3. Very good. The answer is, for evaluate the answer, we will count these balls together. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Repeat after me. Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now our answer is 6 balloons. Our answer is very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Very good. Alright. Next question is, how many books are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And on other hand, 1, 2, 3. Very good. It means we will addition 5 plus 3. Now we will count these books together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Our answer is 8. Our answer is 8. Now we have to count these books also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Answer is 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Very good, students. You did well. Excellent work. Now I have a little activity for you, or you can also say it a test or quiz, whatever you guys say. Add this picture. Now in this video, in this section, you have to tell me the correct answer. Add these pictures. First of all, how many almonds are there? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Are you sure? These almonds are 6. Very good. Plus, how many dates are there? Only one. Very good. 6 plus 1. We have to evaluate the answer for addition of 6 plus 1. Can you tell me the answer of this one? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one 7. Very good. To evaluate the answer, we will count these two together. 6 plus 1 is equal to very good 7. Now you will write 7 the answer in comment box. Right. How many parrots are there? I think these are picture of butterflies, but these are parrots, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. How many parrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. It means 8 plus how many snakes? How many snakes are there? 1, 2. 1, 2. It means 8 plus 2 is equal to let's get count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Very good. 10. The answer is what we will write in this box. You have to write the answer in comment box. Very good. Alright. Next one is how many monkeys are there? 1, 2. Very good. How many monkeys? 1, 2. Plus how many gifts are there? 1, 2, 3. Very good. It means the question is 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. The answer is very good. 5. You will write the correct answer in comment box.